Good afternoon. The time now is 4:30 in the afternoon, 10th of December 2019. It's Tuesday. So now I have partly completed the installation of drain flow or subsoil drain and partly covered with stones. So the purpose of these stones is to filter all the silt coming into the drain. Otherwise it blockades the entire drainage. And after putting the stones to cover all the subsoil drain, then I will cover it with styrofoam, which is something like this. So once this all the drains covered with stones, the stones will be leveled on top of this. This will be leveled on top of this, and then I just put the styrofoam, and then ready for putting the topsoil. And then when the topsoil on this level, then I'm gonna put my plants again. Hopefully I'll finish it today, otherwise I have to put this plant somewhere else so it won't die. Alright, thank you very much, and hopefully you like my small presentation of how I put my subsoil drain. This is what I did when I work in the construction of where I work as a contract engineer in Downer, New Zealand. This is the way we put the subsoil drain for stormwater drainage. So I just apply it in my property as well. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe and like and make comment of this small presentation. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye for now, and see you after completing this raised garden or box garden for my succulent and other plants. Thank you so much. Bye for now.